Got a little death adder here. Now death adders are the 5th most venomous snake in the world. They actually have the longest fangs for any Australian snake. Now this guy is a yearling death adder. This is a common death adder, and this specific animal has come from, originally its parents came from a place called Smoky Bay in South Australia. It's quite a pretty little snake with these bands across its back. Now death adders have this funny looking little tail here they use as a lure, and they actually put that in front of their face to attract little birds and things like skinks and lizards to kind of mimic a worm, so that animal thinks it's food and then becomes food for the death adder. These guys have one of the fastest strikes of all Australian snakes, which means they can move very, very fast when an animal does come close, and they're also quite toxic with their venom, so they're quite dangerous to any small creatures that do come close to them. They can actually grab them quite quickly and make a meal out of them. The snake we have is a little collet snake. This is a red and black snake that is found in Western Queensland. Now these snakes here are related to black snakes, but unlike a lot of black snake species, these guys actually lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. A lot of reptiles in Australia actually give birth to live young, such as the tiger snake, the copperhead, death adders, and snakes like that. Now you can see he's flicking his tongue in and out there. What the snakes are actually doing when they're flicking their tongue in and out is actually smelling and tasting the air, trying to find food, or also recognising different places that they've been. They can smell a lot of things in the air to find a lot of things that they need to survive. So today I've shown you a small selection of some of the snakes we have. Now these are all pythons, the ones I have in my hands here, a pair of spotted pythons and a little Woma python. These snakes all make very, very good pets, very easy to keep, and you do need a license to keep them in Victoria. Now pet reptiles are becoming one of the favourite pets, or types of pets. These guys are really excellent animals to keep, very easy to look after if you know what you're doing, but you must know what you're doing to keep them. So please research snakes before you keep them, and individual species as well, not just general snakes. So reptiles are great pets. If you have any more questions, please email us or have a look at our website for more information. I hope you've enjoyed this small snake presentation, and stay tuned for some more lizard and other reptile presentations as well.